Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect the Smart Life application to Wi-Fi and properly set up your smart devices. So before opening the Smart Life application, you need to first of all connect your phone to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. Now most of the Smart Life application and Tuya devices do not support the 5 gigahertz during the setup. So this particular step is really very important. Now, once you have done that, you need to open your Smart Life application on your phone. Then you need to simply sign in into your account if you haven't already. Now, over here, when you sign in, you just have to make sure that you allow the Bluetooth location and the network permissions as well. Then you need to turn on the device that you want to add it into it, and you need to hold the power button for at least 5 to 10 seconds until the indicator light starts blinking on that particular device. So once that happens, you just have to tap on this plus icon on the top right hand corner of the screen inside your Smart Life application. Afterwards, tap on the option of add device. Now what this is going to do is it is going to look for the device over here. So when you have turned on the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth, when the device pops up over here, you just have to select that, and if there is any password available, you need to enter that password, and the app should automatically connect the device to the Wi-Fi network. So once the setup is completed, you will be able to do a bunch of different things, like you will be able to rename the device, assign it to a room, or you will be able to test the controls inside the application. So if for any reason the connection fails, you can move the device closer to the router and then you can retry the pairing process again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.